make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering.
Hi everybody, so I hope you are well and having a really lovely day today. As always, today's video is going to be slightly different and I'm just going to have a chat with you guys because I feel like I want my channel to become more of an open space for conversation, and I want you guys to know me inside and out. Like, I want us to be really, what's the word? I want to be really transparent, and I don't want to come across as just a Lush YouTuber because I feel like I have a lot more to offer than just my opinion on Snow Fairy, for example. So I want to just have a little chat with you guys about my feelings and my opinions and my thoughts on this channel, and kind of get your opinions and thoughts as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already because it would make my day, as always. So I kind of want to touch on a few different subjects, and I already filmed this video once, but when I looked back at it, it looked really depressing and I felt like I was just moaning. So I'm gonna try and make it a little bit more positive, but I do want to be really honest with you guys at the same time. So I started my channel about 5 years ago and I have loved it every step of the way. I honestly have had such an amazing experience. I hit 1,000 subscribers back in 2016 and I feel like ever since then my channel has gone up and down in terms of growth. So back in 2018 my channel grew quite a lot, and or was it 2017? It might have been 2017 actually. It grew quite quickly. I think I gained about 4,000 subscribers in about half a year, which is about half of my audience now, which is mental to think. However, in the past year, since New Year's Eve of last year, I have gained about 300 subscribers. So it's been very up and down, and I just want to get more of an understanding of like what you guys want to see and what you guys enjoy. I have a few ideas and I want to know your opinions on them. So that's kind of the point of this video, is just for us to have a chat in the comments and be a lot more open, and I kind of want to just expand my channel just a little bit. So if you guys watched me a few years ago, you will know that I used to have a vlogging channel which is still up and is still available for your viewing pleasure. However, I don't upload to that channel anymore because I like everything to be in one place and I want to have one audience. I don't want to have two because I feel like it's a lot of pressure. One channel is hard work. I don't think I could constantly upload on both, so that is why I could kind of like merge them together. So yeah. And back in 2017 I used to do weekly vlogs. I did Vlogmas. I vlogged so much and I really enjoyed it, and I felt like a lot of you guys saw a lot more of my life and you got a better understanding of who I was and who I am as a person and things like that. So I kind of wanted to know whether that's something you guys would like to see more of. Would you like to see more vlogs? I do a lot of exciting things, like I'm going to Bournemouth tomorrow with my boyfriend and our friends, and like, is that something you guys would like to see in the future? I would just like to know really. And obviously I vlog my Disney trips and if I ever go to London or something like extravagant, but I've done quite a lot this year that's been really fun and I'm really annoyed that I haven't vlogged any of it, but I just felt like it's not really what you guys want to see, so I haven't bothered filming it. But yeah, is it something you'd like to see more? Let me know. I've been really enjoying watching vlogs recently, especially by people like Elle Darby and stuff like that, because she kind of uploads main channel videos and vlogs, so I've been really enjoying watching her content and I feel like it's very real and very open and you get a really good understanding of kind of what her life is like to a certain extent. And I kind of want my channel to kind of go in that direction of being very open and honest, and I want to be more transparent, like I said, and I want to film more of my life. Like, I'm not going to lie to you, there are certain aspects of my life that are very interesting and very exciting. However, there are other certain aspects of my life that are totally boring and really average. Like, I am just a 26-year-old girl who lives with her parents in a small town. I have a small bedroom full of stuff because I'm a hoarder when it comes to certain things. I have 2 hamsters that will keep me up till 3 in the morning. I have a car that's 19 years old, and that is me. Like, I don't have a really amazing 5-bedroom house, which I would love, but you know, one day that will happen. I don't have a cute dog that gets me views. Like, I don't have a lot to offer in terms of why I'm different, but I want to know what you guys subscribe to my channel for. I know a lot of you guys would be here for the Lush content and I can appreciate that, and I love every single one of you for supporting me because honestly it makes my day, and the Lush content will still be coming, just so you're aware. Like, I'm not going to ever stop filming Lush content because I bloody love it, I'm not gonna lie. I still love Lush, I just can't really afford to buy a lot of Lush stuff at the moment because obviously, as I told you guys recently, I did lose my job, which was really hard. I struggled with that a lot, especially because it was a job where I did try my best and I did really push to do well, and I think in some aspects of that job I did do well, but sometimes people can't see that. So yeah, it was really difficult. However, I think everything happens for a reason, and since leaving that job I have come to realise that it didn't make me happy and it wasn't something that I was waking up in the morning looking forward to do. And I think if you're not going to do that, like, what's the point, you know? I'm not gonna lie to you guys, there have been times where I'm like, oh, I should just quit YouTube, I should just stop my channel and not bother anymore, because I do get disheartened when I lose subscribers, or if a video that I thought was going to do really well doesn't do really well. But you know, it's not all about the subscribers. Like, yes, that is a big part of it, I'm not gonna lie, because unless you have about 100,000 subscribers, you can't really do YouTube as full time. I don't think anyway. I feel like unless you're getting a lot of sponsorships, like, you need quite a good amount of subscribers to get enough money to kind of live by. So yeah, I do get disheartened when I don't do well or I lose a subscriber here and there, but I think it's all about being grateful for what you've got. So I am trying to be a bit more positive. Like, I have gained 9,000 of you, and that's just absolutely mental to me. So yeah, it's just insane. I've even had it before where people have come up to me, like in the street or when I've been shopping, and they've said they like my content, and that is mental to me. I don't know, I don't really know the point of this video. I just really needed to get a few things off my chest, and I just wanted to say that I am really thankful for all your support, and I'm not going anywhere. My Lush content isn't going anywhere, but I just want to know what else you guys want to see. I've got a few video ideas that I want to do with my boyfriend that I think would be really fun, but is that something you guys would want to see? Let me know. We have quite a few ideas and some of them sound really funny, so let me know if that's something you want to see. I also feel like I want to film a lot more out of my bedroom. I want to do, like, maybe, like I said, vlogs and challenges outside of my room, because I feel like this background just gets a bit boring after a while, and I want to experience and grow my channel in other aspects, as well as talk about Lush, because I still do love Lush, don't get me wrong. But if you're watching this video and you've got 2 minutes to spare, do leave me a comment down below just letting me know maybe a few videos that you've been really enjoying recently and that really made you kind of watch more of those, because I'd love to know. I'd also love to know why you subscribed to my channel. Was it for the Lush content? Was it for another reason? Because I'd love to know. And I do just want to be a lot more open and honest with you guys and just talk to you guys more, because I feel like as much as I love talking about Lush, I feel like when I do a Lush video or anything like that, I'm talking about my opinion, but I'm not really delving into a lot of things. It's more just, this is what has come out from Lush and I really like it all. I don't really tell you guys about my life very much. Like, this year for a lot of people has been awful, and for me, like, my year went from being here to being the worst year of my life ever to being, like, really good again. So I've had a very up and down year. I'm very thankful to the friends I've made, and I'm thankful that I've met my boyfriend Ryan, because we got on so well and he's so thoughtful and kind, and he's a little gem, really. I just feel very lucky that I've gained the friends that I've got. I don't know, I am a very strong believer in that everything happens for a reason. I think this year, for what's been going on, like, as bad as it is, I think, you know, it can only go up from here, and I feel like it's made all of us be a lot more thankful for what we've got and who we've got and things like that. If you guys ever struggle with anything, do feel free to give me a message over on Instagram, because I do reply over there a lot quicker than I can on YouTube comments, especially if you guys don't want to talk about something that's like open in front of everybody. Then feel free to give me a message on Instagram. I do reply. So yeah, I know sometimes it's nice to have a chat with somebody that you don't necessarily know, just to get your feelings off your chest. That's how I made an amazing friend called Kelsey, who sent me the most amazing care package recently. But we were just talking about our lives and talking about struggles we were going through, and then yeah, she's a lovely gal. So honestly, DMs are always open. Give me a message and I will reply. I promise. It might take me like a day or two, but I will reply. So yeah, but that's kind of it for this video. I just wanted to get a few things off my chest and kind of be very honest and very open. So like I said previously, any video ideas, let me know. I'd love to know why you subscribed to my channel, maybe when you subscribed. I'd love to know just what you enjoy about YouTube, because I do miss the old YouTube. I miss how it used to be. Nowadays it's very much ad, and I've never done an ad on my channel, so I've never been paid for content, so I do try and keep it as real as possible and be honest with you guys. So let me know down below what you're loving at the moment, what kind of videos you think I should do. Do you want to see vlogs? Do you want to see weekly vlogs or anything? Let me know down below, because I would honestly really appreciate it, and I appreciate every single one of you for your support and your time watching my videos and commenting and liking my Instagram photos and stuff. Like, I do really appreciate you guys, and I feel like I probably don't share that enough. So yeah, I love every single one of you. Thank you for your support. I'm going to go now and try and convince my boyfriend to go to Starbucks with me. So I hope you guys have the best day, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.